Kitchen! Hi, welcome to Viggo's Kitchen. Do you ever have trouble with your brown sugar? Is it as hard as a rock? Well, I will show you how to make softer sugar, and brown sugar that is. I'm going to show you how to make your own brown sugar. The tools and ingredients you need for making brown sugar is a measuring spoon, a cup of white sugar, a nice big bowl, a mixer, some white sugar, and molasses. And now it's time to make brown sugar. And now we add a few scoops of white sugar to the bowl. And 1 second. There, that was pretty good. And now take your 1 cup of sugar and pour in the bowl. And 1 tablespoon of molasses. And now it's time to stir. Looks like it's stirring good. Look at the golden brown sugar that I made. And if you want it darker, just add another tablespoon of molasses. Time to mix some more. Look at the brown sugar. And that's how you make homemade brown sugar. Look at the texture. It's really fluffy. Thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, please subscribe and please press the like button. Thank you for watching Viggo's Kitchen. Bye.